How to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and open the group from where you want to transfer people and send them to another group. Further, tap on the group name on top of your screen and scroll down and you will see the option for invite via link or QR code. Tap on that particular option and then tap on the send link via WhatsApp option you see there, and then go ahead and select all the individuals whom you want to include in the group, and once done, tap on the new group option on top of your screen, and with this those same people will be transferred to another group. So, this is how you can transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.